Hey guys, check this out. The radar is blowing up. Major winter storm. PAX. PAX. Now what we have here, they are forecasting for New York City, Boston, Philadelphia, the major cities of the Northeast. They are forecasting a foot of snow, possibly 18 inches. Now, what we have here is a major rock solid storm. Not only is the storm rock solid, the ground is frozen solid. And in addition to that, we have snow on the ground. We have about, from the last three storms, about approximately a half a foot to a foot of snow on the ground. Now, if we are going to get a foot of snow or more, you know what that means? That means, one, the ground is solid, okay? Snow definitely is not going anywhere. Number two, it's going to pile up on top of what we have already. And the ground is frozen solid. The wind chills were in the teens yesterday. Anyway, what we have here is major winter storm. Now, if we zoom in to this map, we're going to see this is a crazy. Okay, guys, so let's now zoom in to this major winter storm. PAX, PAX. Will this pack on the snow? Yes, it certainly will. Let's zoom in here now. Okay, here we go. We got right on the doorstep, New York City. Snow is going to start any minute. Okay, look at what we have over here. Snow is right on the edge of New York. Look at that deep blue, heavy snow that is going to dump us. Now, not only is it going to knock down trees, the weight of what's already on the roofs, the weight that's already on the trees. Once the snow gets going, and when the weather, they're saying that it's going to warm up a little bit, where this is going to be a heavy, dense, dangerous snow, which means this is not that fluffy stuff. This is real serious snow. Stay tuned. Tomorrow we're going to bring you more. We're going to see this monster storm PAX on the snow in the New York City, New England area.